Sinsang Taytay Leo, I am Angelique Onte, I am 31 years old. I am from Mindoro, Philippines. I am married with 2 years old child. I am a college graduate. My hobbies are cleaning and cooking. I work as a housemaid in the Philippines from 2 years and 10 months, from February 2018 to December 2022. I serve as a couple and a 9 years old child.
Hello, Miss Angelique Onte. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, sir.
May we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties is taking care of the whole family, providing the services that they needed, especially when it comes to the children.
Can you tell us about your daily activities from the morning that you wake up until the night you went to your bed?
My daily activities and duties are cleaning the house, cooking their food for the whole day, washing the clothes and the dishes, and taking care of them.
Since this is your first time to work abroad, how will you overcome homesickness?
Sir, Madam, I can overcome my homesickness by keeping myself busy and do the work and the tasks given.
Are you willing how to cook Chinese food? If yes, what if it is very hard to get the taste of your employer? Are you still willing?
Yes, sir, Madam, I am willing to learn and do my best.
What if you damage something from your employer's house? What will you do?
Sir, Madam, I will say sorry and I will promise to be careful next time.
What if the mother of your employer cannot speak in English? How can you communicate with her?
Sir, Madam, I will use sign language and I will study in how to understand and to speak their language.
What is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their food on time, check if their clothes is wet, and always keep them safe.
What if the employer's children are very naughty in the house? Will you beat them?
No, sir, Madam, I will just talk to them nicely, love them, and understand them.
How will you maintain a safe environment for the children?
Make sure that doors and windows are always closed, keep the sharp object away, and keep the harmful material out of their reach.
What is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Always check the diaper if it's wet, feed the baby on time, and give the medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, but the baby feed on the time. Once the baby is sleeping, that is the time that I can do my household chores.
What if you found out that the baby has fever and your employer is not at home? What will you do?
First, I need to call my employer or the parent, and I will call the doctor for the help and advice.
Okay, what is the assurance of your employer that they won't regret if they will choose you?
I am hardworking, trustworthy, and I can easily learn.
Do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I badly needed this job, and it will help me to grow as a person. It will be big help for my family, and I promise to do my responsibility and I will finish my contract.
Before we end, can you share best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Angelique Conte. Hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Mom, sir, thank you, and I will looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.